GPD offers two compressor options for the 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5 L4 gas engine based on the vehicle model's AC controls. GPD compressor 6513072 is suited for the 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5-liter SR base model. It has one electrical connection at the front of the compressor near the clutch. GPD compressor 6513059 is suited for the 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5-liter SL and SV models. It has two electrical connections, at the front of the compressor near the clutch and another at the back of the compressor. Refer to GPD Techtip 112, externally versus internally controlled compressors, how to tell the difference for more information. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.